Hi guys, my name is Keith A. Bradford. I wanted to document my ACDF surgery that I had January 23rd, 2020. I wanted to talk a little bit about how we got here and what happened to me. I got my dress. So I started feeling a crick in my neck maybe around late July, maybe early August. So I went to the doctor definitely in September 2019. So I got my MRI January 15th. I left work because my neck was hurting really bad. My shoulder was killing me. My back was killing me. I went, like I said, got my MRI January 15th. January 20th, I got x-rays. Now, I was originally scheduled for the Mobi C for my C4 and C5, but after my doctor looked at my x-rays, he said that I was only eligible for the ACDF surgery. I needed a total disc replacement, and my surgery was originally scheduled for February 11th, but I couldn't wait. I told them I need the surgery right now, and so that's how I ended up getting surgery January 23rd, 2020. So I wrote a few notes for you guys so I could document on how I was feeling. The first day, right after surgery, a couple hours, I went home. I slept in my recliner because I couldn't lay in bed. I mean, I was still in a little bit of pain, but my pain from my shoulder and my back immediately went away after surgery. The second day, I slept in my recliner again. Couldn't lay down because I felt like I felt the spacer in my throat, and I was scared I was gonna choke by laying down. But that's just, right after surgery. The third day, I was able to sleep in the recliner half the night, and I got into bed just to try to get into bed again. The fourth day, let's see, it says I got into bed and I slept most of the night, but later on I ended up getting in the recliner. The fifth day, I slept in the bed a little bit. It was just a little bit in the recliner, maybe an hour or two, and here we are the sixth day. So now I'm gonna take my neck brace off and show you guys my stitches. I still have them on, and I'm gonna peel them off, and we're gonna do this together. Well, they're not stitches, it's the tape. I haven't looked at my scar yet. So let's see. It's one. Here we go with the second one. It's giving me a little trouble. I think I'm gonna take these off and I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, so I took the surgical tape off and here's the scar. It's still numb. I feel it numb here, all the way down, so it's like a block of numbness. Well, guys, that's my story. I wanted to document so that I could help people that are about to go through this surgery and just give you guys a little bit of information. Thanks for tuning in. Killer Cab out. Watermelon, I'm a felon in the heavens, how I steal your cerebellum.